Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal on Pandabuy. Let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Pandabuy and then log into your account. And once you've logged in, if you're looking to connect your PayPal, you can do so at the checkout. So when you're checking out, you can actually add your PayPal details and then your PayPal will be added to your account, your details. So how do you do that? So just select any product and then add it to your cart and then get to the checkout option, like the checkout page. All right, so get to that page here. So for example, if you go to if you for example, let me select this and then add this to my cart. So I'm going to just purchase that. So what are you going to do? So you're going to like simply hit, get to the payment section. So when you just add anything and then get to checkout and then get to the payment section where you check out and then select the payment. In there, when you get to that option here you will see, if you want to add your PayPal, you will see the PayPal option. So click on PayPal. All right, so select PayPal and then just click on confirm payment. So this now will get to your PayPal page here, so where you have to put in your PayPal details. So it gets to your PayPal login page. So this is where you log into your PayPal. So add in all your PayPal details, and then once you have logged in, so all you have to do is just continue and then complete the order. So you'll be like paying with your PayPal. So once you have paid with your PayPal, so your PayPal account details will be saved to your PayPal account. So in future, when you make any purchase, or if you are making any purchase through PayPal, then you can just select PayPal and proceed with the payment, and your account will be like saved, and then there's no need for you to like log into your PayPal and stuff. So that's how you can actually connect your PayPal to Pandabuy. So hope this information is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.